Welcome to Grammar Lessons from BM English Speaking.
Can and could. Let us understand the difference between can and could. यह लड़का बोलता है मैं फुटबॉल खेल सकता हूं. I can play football. हम उसके बारे में बोलेंगे he can play football. The boy is requesting the girl, could you help me in my project please? Let's look at the structure of a sentence when we use can or could. In a positive statement with I, we, you, they, he, she, it, we'll use can and then the first form of verb which is dance, come, play, write, etc. For example, I can dance, we can dance, you can dance, they can dance, he can dance, she can dance, it can work fine. हमको अगर नकारात्मक वाक्य बनाना है can से, with I, we, you, they, we'll use cannot or the short form is can't and then the first form of verb which is dance, come, play, write, etc. I cannot come, we cannot come, you cannot come, they cannot come, he cannot come, she cannot come and it cannot come. चलिए अब देखते हैं can से हम प्रश्न कैसे बनाएंगे. Can followed by the subject. हमको पता है कि जब हमको प्रश्न बनाना है तो can subject के पहले आएगा, विषय के पहले आएगा. Can will come before the subject. Can I play? Can we play? Can you play? Can they play? Can he play? Can she play? Can it play well? Let's understand the use of can and could. Can का उपयोग हम तब करेंगे जब हमको पता है कि हम या वह व्यक्ति वह चीज कर सकता है या उसमें करने की क्षमता है. चलिए उदाहरण देखते हैं. Ability, क्षमता. I can speak English with strangers. मैं अनजान लोगों से इंग्लिश में बात कर सकता हूं. Possibility, शक्यता. He can't be wrong now, it's too late. He can't be working now, it's too late. वह अभी काम नहीं कर रहा होगा, काफी लेट हो चुका है. Request, can you open the door please? You can also say, could you open the door please? Permission, can I turn off the AC please? Or could I turn off the AC please? Let's look at the arrangements of words. Subject plus helping verb plus the first form of verb. I can do exercise daily. We cannot attend the meeting. वह 4 भाषाएं बोल सकती है. She can speak 4 languages. They cannot meet your deadline. वह vintage car चला सकता है. He can drive a vintage car. We should note that to express ability or possibility in the past में अगर कोई चीज की क्षमता या शक्यता को हमको जाहिर करना है तो हम बोलेंगे could or could not. Earlier, I could calculate mentally. Now, I am dependent on my mobile phone. So, I can calculate, ये हुआ present tense. I could calculate, ये हुआ past tense. The party ended at midnight. I could not sleep on time. Let's look at WH questions using can and could. Again, WH words will be the first one because we are framing questions. Then will be followed by the helping verb which is can, then the subject, then the first form of verb and then the object. What can Arjun contribute to the annual meeting? Arjun annual meeting में क्या contribute कर सकता है? How often can you win at chess against a computer? कौन से कपड़े मैं डिस्काउंट में खरीद सकता हूं? Which apparels can I buy on a discount? Can Geeta jog for an hour? Can you or could you? Can I or could I is also used to ask permission or ask for something in present tense. Can you stay on the line please? और could you stay on the line please? Can और could का उपयोग वर्तमान काल में कोई चीज की रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए उपयोग हो सकता है। क्या तुम लाइन पर रहोगे? Could you stay on the line please? Can you stay on the line please? Can I borrow your laptop please? Could I borrow your laptop please? Thank you.